Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to update your company information, your profile information, your personal information on Terminal Africa. Now this is a very important aspect of using a platform, just because we need to know who you are, in case of any queries, even when you create a shipment, if we have to contact you, it's important we have this information. So tempting as it is to just sign up and jump into shipping, you probably want to do this first before arranging any delivery. And it's very simple, only takes a couple of seconds. So what you want to do is log in or sign up, and go to the dashboard and simply come down to the settings menu right here. And once you open this up, you would see that you have this business section right here. And yeah, this is where you'll be doing the updating. So you have your company name. You can just change this to the company name. You have your email, customer service email, if you have separate emails, your phone number in case we need to call you, and where your business is located. So you need to fill in all this information: city, state, country. And once you do that, mine is already filled in. You click save changes, and you have to confirm that these changes make sure they're accurate. And yeah, that's it. Updated, and you can go back to whatever it is you want to do, start making your deliveries, and yeah, everything should happen smoothly. So that's all, folks. Catch you next time.